Poem in 10 parts.
Yeah.
We are the sometimes thieves of hearts and the sometimes hearts of lions. Our rib cages were built out of 1 part rifle and 1 part fire escape. And the Holy Spirit of the space shuttle that lives inside of your chest says, today we zip-zapped by each other. We avoided collision, but secretly we wanted to collide. And I know that I am the reason she wore a skirt tonight. That her hips ain't ever popped with such ferocity. The most famous portrait of her face was etched into the chalk dust of my bones. Was this star that I put on layaway in the Department of Hopelessness. Like they would deliver it just when they could tell I had run out of jet fuel. For all the really honest parts of me, we are lonely, but we are not alone. We cried wolf like that shit lived in our throat, and now no one cares to listen. Can you blame them? The skyscrapers. The skyscrapers were proud to have been built by us. Back when we spoke the language of reaching, like the clouds were fruits to pick, like the sky was this indigo shelf, and like heaven was this shoebox full of amber photographs, and God was just this punk-ass scattered collection of things that we put together because we deemed it was worth praying to. The perfect skipping stones and found arrowheads, robin's feathers and dismantled bullies, broken mixtapes and valentines, but out of fire we would stretch like, honey, this one's gonna kiss our fingertips if we can just get them close enough. The mountains taught us the humble language of the dust bunny, the ocean. The ocean only knew the warm tongue of the endless, which it refused to teach us, but it sent waves preaching the language of crash, and now we throw fists like the Atlantic and hug like the Pacific, and our mouths garbled away to the saltwater like infant chants. I am the Holy Spirit of the space shuttle that lives inside of your chest. I am the shotgun wedding in the tumble knot of your empty belly's concrete. I sing like a choir of hammers. My muscles twirl the diamond gleam atop the black lakes of your lover's eyes and drag knives across the throats of frost-burnt rhododendrons. I kiss like the white fire of her teeth, pinching the fleshy electricity from the bell of your lip. Whatever superstition you have that drew up my blueprints had trajectory in mind when it did it. Inside of all of our bodies is an army of ragdolls. They march through a rain of ticker tape and widowed kisses. They celebrate our journey towards the final moment, 10. If I rest my ear on the conch shell of your breast, could you sing me to sleep with that noise? Thank you. Oh.